There we go, guys. I just put in my devil egg platter. And we have still rest in there. I'm gonna make that just in case. If they're done over there, I'm gonna add more. Alright. There we go, guys. I got it. I'm done. Thank God. This tree we ordered in Amazon. My daughter, that's her store, Amazon. It's not a sponsor. Alright. Okay. This is the one I made it since this morning until 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Thank God. This is for the dessert of my daughter on her birthday. For reserve, just in case that one is almost gone. Alright. And if you wanna interesting my devil egg, guys, I have my video for I guess 2 years ago, and also my Filipino macaron. Alright. Thank you for watching. Hope you like my dessert. Take care and see you next time, guys.